welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura.
And I'm Shelby.
And today is the final day of our fashion jewelry advent calendar. Yes. And then we'll separate these and we can wear our little bracelets and be all festive.
Yay.
Yes. Alright, day 24.
The last day.
The last day. Let's see what it is. Uh-oh.
What?
Well, it's another bracelet. Look at that. How about that? A little green? No, teal.
It's like a more green teal. It's a teal, but leaning more towards green.
But you know what? I think I'm claiming this.
How dare? Well, because I get the necklace.
Because teal, if I'm not mistaken, is the ribbon color for myasthenia gravis awareness. And I said compared up to the blue, it looks teal.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, if I just did white.
Again,
Yeah.
it's a green leaning teal.
Yeah.
Because it's not quite green.
But no. So you're going to get a bracelet and a necklace, and I'll get 2 bracelets.
Woo.
I think we can deal with that. What do y'all think? Is this a nice haul or what? Yeah?
And I guess you can have that if it's not even.
Okay. Well, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's perfect. I like it. I like it. I'm happy. Are you happy?
Yes.
All right. We hope that you have enjoyed our little adventure in this advent calendar. We've had a lot of fun. I have harassed her, and I've even to the point where some of you have told me to leave that poor girl alone.
I'm fine.
She is. She's fine. She's pretty awesome. I'm just a wee bit biased towards her and her brothers. I think they're all 3
Just a little.
Just pretty awesome. They yeah, they're my best creation. Was pretty creative with you guys.
You're a little too creative.
Yeah, I think sometimes maybe too creative. Well, there's lots more on the channel for you to come back and watch. There's some quilting, there's some cooking, there's some kind of crazy, there's Try It Tuesdays, there's
Bunch of stuff.
Bunch of stuff, yeah. So please be sure to come back and check out our other videos that we offer to you for your pleasure. We hope you've enjoyed. Please consider subscribing, liking, making a comment. And most importantly, I hope you have a wonderful Christmas holiday season.
Yee.
Thank you for watching and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.